In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut templates missing or not showing on a PC or laptop. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help with the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually open up CapCut and click the update button up in the top right corner. If an update is available, install it and then restart CapCut to see if the templates do appear. If that doesn't work for you, try opening up any existing project. Let's go ahead and just say I want to use this one right here, which of course is a super old project, right? Sometimes the templates option only appear when you're inside a project, and you'll see that over here. Check to see if the templates tab shows up here. If it's still missing for you, what you're going to have to go ahead and do is actually reinstall the app. Before doing this, make sure to back up any projects that you want to keep, but back out of this option, back out of it again, and then from here, go down to this little search bar and type in add or remove programs and hit enter. Once it loads for you, go to this search apps section and type in CapCut, hit these little three dots, hit uninstall, and then uninstall the app. And whenever that's done, open up the Microsoft Store by hitting the search bar again, typing in Microsoft Store, not Minecraft. I don't know why I typed that. And then just search specifically for CapCut on here, hit enter, wait for it to load, and then download it this way. Or you can also alternatively download it through Google. And if your templates still aren't available inside of the app, you can use them directly from the CapCut website. Just open up a browser, search for CapCut, and on the left-hand side, you're going to see that template option. You could just select and use any template from here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.